Drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, power up!
The robots are on their own for the first 15 seconds. Only the CPUs telling them what to do. Cyberknights scoring on the scale, getting an early 1, 2, 1 cube up there. 3 cube autonomous still in the cards for the Cyberknights. Drivers take control. The score for the Red Alliance is rising at 2 points per second. 1 point for the switch, 1 point for the scale. The score for the Blue Alliance is rising at only 1 point per second because they only own their switch. The Cyberknights and Airstrike, 195 and 78 on red, dominating the scale at this point in the match. 67-63 red. That's Team Fusion. They are busy working on putting cubes through the exchange in order to get points for the vault. In the vault, the cubes are each worth 5 points. 5 times 9 is 45, but more importantly, you get power-ups, such as red just enacted their red power-up for Levitate. They will get 1 free climb at the end of the match, which could be very valuable when it comes to facing the boss. Cyberknights over on the other side of the field. That's 195 in red, picking up from the portal and putting cubes on the other team's switch, trying to take that away from them. The score is still rising at 2 points per second for red, 1 point per second for blue. 4909, Bionics working the exchange over on the blue side of the field. Meanwhile, 78 is going robot to robot with 2877. The Liger bots, they're trying to keep them away from the portal. We just had a force applied by Red Alliance, or boost rather. What that means is the Red Alliance will now score twice the rate of points for the scale and the switch during those 10 seconds. Time for the climb, 34 seconds left. We've got a buddy climber out there, 6201, static on the field. The Highlanders looks like they may have lost communications. 195 putting out its fork for team 78. This could be a double buddy lift, and with the levitation, that could be a 3 robot climb, and with the autonomous bonus, it could be 4 ranking points. And the results of that last match was won by the Red Alliance, and the final numerical score was 511-85. That is a high score for this event. More importantly, it's 4 ranking points for the teams on the Red Alliance. That's the most you can get. You get 1 ranking point for the autonomous routine if it is run successfully. You get 2 for the victory and 1 for facing the boss. What facing the boss is when 3 robots climb up on the rung. And that is 4 ranking points. That's the most that you can get. If we break down the score, you can see for auto run, both teams got that. They both got a ranking point. For ownership, that is the scale on the switch, a huge advantage for the Red Alliance. The vault, also a big advantage for the Red Alliance. They were only 2 cubes away from filling their vault. An end game of 90, that's 30 points per robot, and that got them the extra ranking point. And at the bottom, penalties on the Blue Alliance accounted for 60 points of the Red Alliance's score, and penalties on the Red Alliance counted for only 5 points. But if you do the math, that really didn't affect the outcome and who got the win. What did was ownership.